really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Okay, I see like this road might end up having to take this this big stairwell over there. So we're gonna see how this goes. I hope I don't have to climb that stairwell. But in the meanwhile, we're just kind of walking around Chongqing in the city streets, and things kind of go up and down and vertical in different directions, and it's just such a cool city all the way around, as you can see. And we're just navigating it. And we're gonna see where we end up over here. Chongqing up on the map. And this one, it's Beiqu Road. It's a little bit confusing. So we're gonna narrow it down, and then you can see like how confusing it is. So you can see how I'm gonna get kind of lost in this video. But it's really interesting because you got all these views everywhere. And you just kind of get turned around, which is kind of the Chongqing experience, which makes this video kind of a good representation of the city. And I really love exploring Chongqing. I did create some AI music. I wrote the lyrics and I put it into AI, so that so we'll put the music up there as well. And I have lots of Chongqing videos that I'm gonna upload. I still have another 15. I filmed. I was over there for quite a little bit, so I was able to create quite a few videos, and I'm gonna go back again. I'm positive. But anyways, let's get right into the walk and talk, where I'm gonna try to navigate this Beiqu Road in Chongqing. It's funny, I was just down there walking down that street, and I thought I was going in a linear way, and now it feels like I'm going back, like you're kind of climbing up mountains a little bit. And then you have stairs that you can climb up as well, which I wasn't really planning to do. Actually, what I'm trying to do is I want to walk. Oh man, are you kidding me? So there's more stuff up there, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go up that. Looks like there's no other way, so I'm gonna have to go up this way, climb the stairs. Such a Chongqing thing, but it is pretty cool. I mean, look at this, so vertical. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna be doing is going up and over the stairs. No way to avoid that. But I think we're gonna get some good views, and we can end up in all kinds of different stuff. Are you kidding me? So that road I was on ended right here, and there's no way to get across. So the only way to get across is to go up this stairwell and then go to the other side. Yeah, that's exactly what happened there. So it ends, the road ended, and you have to go up. But I'm not complaining. I think it's super cool, but it's a challenge to navigate, of course. So yeah, I was walking down that street, and then we had to climb up, and that would go, probably go up there like switchbacks to get up to that part of the city. But if I want to go down this way, which is where I'm going, so I couldn't pass that space, I have to go over this bridge. But it is pretty cool though. Can't say it's not. It's like, man, this is such a cool city. And like all these people have, a lot of people have balconies. They just always get these amazing views everywhere. I'll definitely say it's my favorite city in China. I can't say that's not true. It's definitely a pretty cool city. So this should be going, watch your step. This can't possibly be, I'm not going to risk going down that one. That should be going up anyway, it's not down, but it's not really labeled that way. Anyways, we're gonna go down and then kind of see what this is all about. So that's that road that we couldn't go down any further. Oh. So, okay. So that's where we were just at, was up that way. And that's the road that we couldn't see. Or we couldn't go across. And now we're just kind of navigating obstacles. Going towards DM Mart. And just kind of meandering along our white trees. It's pretty cool though. D-Mart. So I'm not sure which way we're going to go exactly. Originally I was walking down this road where everybody's turning, right? And then I had to go up and around just to cross the street. And now we're at another hairpin turn again, which I didn't expect. And this looks like more like a rural neighborhood street up that way, which could be super interesting, of course. But I think what I kind of want to do is follow, man, I just don't know which way is more interesting, but I can tell you a couple things. One, Chongqing has a lot of oxygen, a lot of green parks, a lot of fresh air, a lot of tall buildings, a lot of up and down vertical stuff, a lot of windy roads, a lot of greenery, a lot of plants, a lot of good people. They're actually quite friendly, and I guess that's the way I describe them. Yeah, friendly, yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna meander down a little bit, and then we're gonna probably come around this corner, and we'll just kind of highlight again where we're just at. Got a nice park right there, and I couldn't tell you where we're walking exactly, but it doesn't really matter because I'm just exploring and just kind of trying to get a feel for Chongqing and what it's like. But I am going to go over a bridge in a moment, and then we can just kind of try to accumulate more experiences, knowledge, information about it. Yeah, this bridge, it's interesting. It's interesting because I just don't know what this bridge would be going over. Like, is it a river or is it just like mountain pass stuff? There's stuff built all the way down there as well. But anyways, we're definitely going over a bridge, and there's definitely more stuff over there, like directly over there, but with this giant gap of like 6 or 7 story building gap between here and there. It's kind of incredible, to be honest. Like, not just a little incredible, but like incredibly incredible. You just don't expect it. And then over there, straight ahead, is a skyline that's on the other side of the river, which is pretty cool. So you can see it from here. And I guess now I kind of get an idea where we are. We're coming up by the skyline, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to cross. Dang it. Oh no. Because you can see right there, there's people crossing illegally, but you know, I might have to go around and do something kind of crazy to get over there, unless I want to. There's a reason they're all running across illegally, because they know they have to do something crazy to get around and go down that way, right? It's the only reason they're doing that. There's like a little Dutch windmill on top of that building over there. Anyways, that's another interesting slice of Chongqing again for you. Oh, I see, there's actually a stoplight over there. So there's actually people legally crossing there, and it looks like they're also legally crossing over here. And that was just some random bridge with a giant crevice. And at this particular moment in time, what we're gonna do is try to catch that green light. And then we're gonna try to oops, I gotta hurry, get across. Said hello. So there's a train line over here, and what I'm trying to do now is I'm just gonna try to get to the to that waterfront side over there, and we're also gonna show you the train station line and where we're at. So you enjoying that paper? Yeah, amazing skyline everywhere. So I guess this station is Huanghui Yuan Station, 500 meters, which is kind of funny because I think I was over there earlier and I was kind of trying to meander around. Then I kind of got off of it. So yeah, I was, anyways, kind of back on Beiqu Lane again. And what we're going to do next is we're just going to capture the scenery here, all the tall buildings everywhere, and then we're going to go follow this group of people across, and then we're going to get this nice view over on the other side, and then we can overlook the Orange Bridge and the big giant river canyon over there as well. Yeah, check out that skyline. So pretty soon the lights will be going down. Some lights are going to start popping up any second now. kind of waiting for this green light right now. And then we're gonna go over to there, but you can see the traffic has 5 seconds, so you can see the green traffic right there, and then everybody's gonna start moving across. So I think she's gonna start waving the flag for us to move across in a second right now. So now we're free, so I think she's gonna stop the traffic. Check out this VW Bug. It's super cool. It's a really cool little bug. So now we're gonna come over to this waterfront, riverfront. You got some restaurants over there with the water, river views. So pretty cool. Another slice of Chongqing for people who want to get some slices of it. There we go. You can see, I'm going to try to go down this way. So there you go, that's kind of a famous tourist area where that orange bridge leads to. It's like a replica of an ancient village with all kinds of cool restaurants, music, touristy stuff, all kinds of amazing stuff in there. The Raffles Hotel is way down at the end, that big giant building. Looks like it's a cooperation with Singapore. You got our interesting apartments already, just local ones. You got the train line right there. So in a minute, maybe a train will go by. The other skyline of the other side. And we're just going to meander on, and I think I'm going to turn the camera off. It looks like I can't go that way, which is what my plan was. I'll have to go all the way back around again to go over to wherever I'm trying to go, which is over there somewhere, I guess. Anyways, you're here, or I'm here. You're watching it on YouTube from somewhere else.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing.